so dumb, but you made me question saying your name and it takes a swear and you fuck up my ex. Baby, is it my turn next? Is it possible for me to not regret putting everything but you aside for me to forget? For the first time, I can stand the thought of holding someone's hand. No, I couldn't find a flaw